This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Gather all ingredients on the counter before starting the recipe. You need 500 grams mascarpone, 200 grams Nutella, and 4 large egg yolks. Measure 100 grams sugar and 200 ml strong coffee, cooled to room temperature. Prepare about 200 grams ladyfingers and set them beside a shallow dipping bowl. Toast roughly 30 grams chopped hazelnuts for garnish and chill a 9 by 13-inch dish. Separate eggs carefully and keep whites cold for later whipping. Start by whisking 4 egg whites with a pinch of salt until soft peaks form. In a separate bowl, beat 4 large egg yolks with 100 grams sugar until pale and slightly thickened. Fold 500 grams mascarpone and 200 grams Nutella into the yolk mixture with smooth motions. Use a rubber spatula to combine until even and glossy. Gently fold the whipped egg whites into the mascarpone mixture, using wide strokes to preserve air and maintain light texture. Work quickly to assemble the dessert for best texture and flavor. Dip each ladyfinger in 200 ml cooled coffee for 1 to 2 seconds only. Arrange a single layer of dipped ladyfingers in the 9 by 13-inch dish without overcrowding. Spread half the Nutella mascarpone mixture evenly over the ladyfingers to fill gaps precisely. Repeat with a second layer of dipped ladyfingers and finish with the remaining cream. Cover and chill the tiramisu for at least 4 hours, ideally overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.